Hello and welcome to my tutorial of how to upload my dragonbone sword assets. First, you'll want to go into here and then drag this prefab in. Then you'll want to drag it onto your avatar and unpack the prefab. So if you have a different avatar that is not this avatar, you're probably gonna need to move the swords. So when you go into here, you're gonna have to go into the sword that you want. So this is the left sword. Click on there, change this to right hand. Then you're gonna have to go here to right hand and then find the right one. So we were doing the short sword left, this short sword left, and you can move that around. You might be able to just move this whole thing for all four of them at once, and then you can fine-tune them afterwards. Same with the hips, and for the hips you can move both at the same time, and for the back, which is on the great swords, you'll do the same thing there. So to add it onto your avatar, you're gonna want to go down to the hands and drag everything into them. So the chest will go on to the chest, the hips will go on the hips, left hand to left hand, and right hand to right hand. And then you're gonna have to move on to animations, and you can open up this VRC Labs tab, drag it over here, and then you can drag your avatar into this, open up FX, add an animator to merge, drag the sword FX into here, ignore this stuff, merge on the current, and then you can go into your avatar animator FX and check to see if it added properly, which this doesn't seem to have a mask, and this can be deleted. That looks like it's all good, merged properly. Then you're gonna have to go into the merger again and add the parameters, avatar sub parameter, and then copy that. Make sure that you have everything that's on your avatar is right defaults on. If it is mixed, it will mess things up. So to find that, you can go here and see what's what. You can force it on and off, or you can do it by hand and look through every single one of these animations and see this little box here has to be checked. Next, you're gonna have to add the menu, the sub menu to your avatar. So you're gonna have to go into your avatar's menu here, add swords, sub menu, then find sword sub, and you can put this picture there so you have a little icon, and that's about it. It's ready to upload. And if you don't want to use any of these swords, like you only want to use short swords, and you want to get rid of the great swords, all you have to do is grab which one you don't want and just delete them from the thing. You can choose any one of these.